Let's get started with the next rapid financial solution tip of the day. Your experienced credit card processing solution. PCI compliance, payment card industry, refers to the technical and operational standards that must be followed by online businesses that accept credit cards. This process is to keep your customers' credit card information protected. All online businesses, regardless of size, must be PCI compliant. Compliance involves the collecting and running through of your customers' credit card details in a very secure manner, encrypting, monitoring and testing the security of the access to their credit card data, annually validating the security controls using forms, questionnaires, vulnerability scans, and audits from your payment processor. It's not as dramatic as it seems, but it is important that you are PCI compliant so you don't lose your merchant account. Learn other important tips from Rapid Financial Solutions to help your business. Then contact us for all your merchant account needs. We provide a quick and painless service.